Okay, here we go. We're gonna release him now.
It's our first possum.
Yep. Here, record me.
Caught yet. So far this year, right?
Yep. So far this year, it's first possum.
Yeah. Look at him, guys. He's so big. Dad, can I show him?
No, you can't hold him.
No, I said show them. Look how big he is, y'all. Is it a girl or a boy, Dad?
All right, get back. Get back. Get back. This way.
Here, yeah. Good boy. Stay. Stay. Daddy's gonna bite you.
Go.
My dad just opened it.
Go. There he goes.
He's in the.
Bye, buddy.
Bye, Billy.
Don't come back.
And if you do,
We'll catch you again.
I want to scare him. There you go.
Have a good day, everybody.